Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Urban Time. This is where we'll make review on money making applications and websites. So if you want to keep watching more videos like this on applications and websites, just subscribe to this channel, click the bell sign so you always get notification once I upload nice videos for you to know. All right, let me just go straight to what I want to do today. Today I want to talk about a mining platform that is called Phonium. It's an app that you can install on your phone straight from the Play Store, and it's free of charge. I have a link in the description of this video. If you click on the link, you're gonna get a 200 bonus, a 200 PHT bonus straight on your balance. So go ahead, click, and you download this application. All right, let me just show you some features of this application that will be very useful for us. Well, generally the Phonium is already in the market. It's already in the trade market. It's listed already on many exchange platform where you can go and buy and exchange it. So it's listed also in the Trust Wallet. If you have Trust Wallet, you can check it out. You'll see it there. So Phonium is not just it's not just a crypto that it's coming up. It's already in the market. It's being trading already. So guys, you shouldn't don't miss this video anyway. Don't miss whatever I'll be showing you in this video, because it's gonna be helpful to you. So first of all, I'll say you come to, as you can see, the platform already. You can see some numbers down here. It's time anyway. Once this time elapses, the claim button will appear just above it. Then all you need to do is just claim this like once in a week, or let me say once this time is elapses, you see claim. You can always come over to check each day for you to see which level you are. Once it elapses, you see claim appear. The claim button appears, then you just claim it. Then the balance goes straight to your balance. The whatever you claim is going to your balance. Your balance is right up above here, where you see the PHT balance. It goes straight there. So this application has more features in order for you to increase your earning, if you want, if you have the time. But for those that don't have the time, you can just keep mining daily. Keep mining, and you are not obliged to come here and check it every day. You can come like once a week just to check it, and you claim. It goes straight to your balance, then you continue whatever you're doing. So now let me show you on the option. Let's check the options here. You have other options like games. You can play games in order to increase your earning. You can invite your friends, you earn more. Earning multiplier, you can do a lot of stuff. You can just download the app and go through it yourself. You see a lot of stuff you can do in order for you to earn more with this application. So the minimum withdrawal for this application, you will need a 20,000 PHT in your balance. Here you are, 20,000 PHT in your balance before you can make withdrawal. So it's worth it anyway. So excuse me. As you can see, this is the token. This is the price of the token in the market right now. That is it, 0.000538 US dollars. That's the price of the token right now in the market, and the price is also not stable. It keeps going up and down, like the normal market. So guys, you can also invite your friends. Okay, I said that earlier. You can also invite your friends to earn more, and that is a very simple and easy app to use, with a very simple interface that it's not complicated for even beginners. So anybody can make use of this application anytime. You can download it on your on your Androids. It's in Play Store, so it's something you can get easily and get going. So guys, that's that for this application. It's legit and it's paying and it's real, so that's that for this application. If you enjoy this video and you want to see more of videos like this, you want me to review more applications like this, all you need to do is just go straight down, click on the button below that just says subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button and the bell sign. Don't forget, just click on the bell sign so that you get notification once I upload stuffs like this. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, which is gonna motivate me to keep doing stuffs like this. You guys, it's free, but just it's free. Just give me thumbs up. It's cost you nothing to do me that. So thanks, guys. Stay tuned to this channel and be blessed. Thanks.